finish up today. You want to chase away all my customers, eh?
Madam, you won't knock me this weapon. You won't knock me this thing. Hey, madam, you won't knock me this thing.
Sorry, no. Never see. No one knock you. What is your problem? Eh? What is wrong with you? Why are you chasing away all my customers? Why this sudden change?
How take change? Madam, how take change? Since when are you there for this business? I don't ever change before. My condition I make a fish bent.
Never see. Never see. What is your problem? I know they do you well. I disturb you. Eh? This condition where you they talk about, so it make the crayfish to bend now. The crayfish to bend.
To bend?
Yes.
What be that one?
Now waiting. Waiting be your problem, never see. Eh? Waiting be your problem, we're going to pursue all my customers for sure. They throw away my cups and my plates anyhow. What an economic waste. I cannot phantom it.
Madam, I want make you give me somebody when go they help me. Before this work go kill me. Oh. Before you go kill me.
Okay. You need somebody to help you.
Yes. Yes.
You need somebody to help you. You need a transcendental support. Is that what you're insinuating?
Yes, madam. This one where you talk now and another one. Okay. Support my support.
Okay.
Yeah, in fact, this thing won't kill me. Make I just die. In fact, I will die.
No. Never say no now. Make you no die now, please. Listen to me. Anatomic dismemberment will lead to a catastrophic economic imbalance to my endeavors now. Anyway, if you die now, I may say I'm not going to pay your salary this month.
Hey. Madam, wait. I know what die again. When you pay me finish, I will die.
What?
I say when I don't collect my money finish.
You're not serious.
I said I no one die again. Don't be me one die, don't be this side.
Never see. Never see. Never see. Never see. Sit down. Sit down now. Eh? Sit down. Never see. Why you they do like this? Now because of that small thing, I won't make you struggle out of duty. Eh? You want to run away, soldier? Anyway, never see. I don't consider that thing when you tell me. And I can't see say that thing when you talk makes sense. Where you are very right. It really makes sense to me. I think the thing well. I can't think and say it makes sense.
Hey, now you talk like human beings.
Never see. No. Huh? You no go talk say because two of us the dialogue here, you will begin insulting me.
I'm not insult you. Okay. How better I go to take for that? Is it possible now? I just have to say, you say like no decide for it.
Never see. In fact, you be better boy.
Thank you.
You are simply one of the best.
Thank you.
Eh? As it can't be like this now, I'll be want to ask you whether you get anybody where you go we bring come, make we employ.
I don't know anybody. What if we put signboard for advertising for outside?
Hey! Good talk! You too much. So you make sense like this. Now I don't say you dey think well. Since you started working with me, you've never talked like this. This is the very first time you are sounding like an intelligent person.
First time.
The first time. I didn't know you're this intelligent. Yeah, I'm good. Well, I keep this like you get sense, bro. This thing when you talk to me, you respect me. Never see.
bicycle before Sibe will gather for two of us. What have I done to you? Is it a crime to burn another man? Let it be. Poor man's bicycle is his aeroplane. Eh? Your mates are buying big motor in the city. And very wise, you, all you know is sit in Okoro's house and feed fat. Eh? Then carry my bicycle. Go about chasing all the women who should be.
So, but now what? Will I vex you?
Yes. I say leave this bicycle. We'll leave
them. Papa Bullet. Now what did all this are relating to the Bullet?
Ask him. Ask him, won't a man have peace in his house? Eh? Bullet, I say leave me alone. In fact, leave my house. Leave my house. Go and take care of yourself. I've raised you up. Mama, we are the thing where Papa talk. Bullet, we are the thing where Papa talk.
Bullet, my son. We go back say we born for this house. Oh. You're not there for city the struggle. Oh. But you go join them all.
Oh.
So when I go talk.
Na me talk am.
When I say we talk am.
Na me talk am.
Okay.
Na me talk am.
We'll leave this one.
You will kill me.
Okay. We'll carry him.
Let me have you.
Nonsense, not too much for here. Huh? Anyway, we then talk. When Mama masquerade overstay for outside, who myself go to praise them. We call them names. Oh nonsense. When I go see, I go live now. For this village. We go that place where my mates they make them. Who's less people?
Never see. Never see. Why you suddenly they go down like this now? Never see. I beg make you no go strike. No go strike now when our business they boom like this now. In fact, that will amount to insubordination, gross negligence, and that is an arcade.
Madam, I don't work finish. I dey go home, chop my salad.
Never say, you never reach like that now. You never reach that one. You mean you put advertiser for outside for employment for anybody to do that? At least that is a step forward. That is a step for resolution.
If now you put them, if now you put them, if even they go tell us say, make them not come.
No. I know they work again. I go die.
Sorry, never see, I beg you. Never see, please.
Leave me.
Never see. Never. Booga boy. Never see.
Leave me.
Boy, yo, I beg now. Fine booga boy. Never see. Come down. Why you do like this? Never baby boy. Come now. Never see. You mean say na this small plate you dey watch since for you? You this never see. I don dey tire for this your lifestyle. This small plate where you dey watch since I never watch finish. Eh? You wan drive my customers, abi?
I think you dey do am.
You dey ask me whether dem tell me say you no dey do am. This small plate since morning never see.
Na dey retake am and dey retake the plate.
You dey do wetin? You dey retake. Na craze dey worry you.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Madam Alocal.
Yes, you want food?
No, ma. I want work.
Oh.
I see who's signboard for outside. Who? I come inside, come try lock.
Where are your papers?
Who papers? Oh, sorry, I know carry no paper. Only bag I carry come.
Your papers not there for inside your bag.
No paper there inside na whole cloth. And the medicine we Oswibe give me.
Never see. You can interview him.
Oh, madam. Oh, thank you.
Never take me finish. You say you want job, eh?
Oh, fast.
What be your name?
Oh, oh, Kashkwe, oh, Muhele. Alias Bullet.
Hey. Madam! Madam! Madam!
Never see.
Never do it here.
Eh? What you making a shout?
Madam, how robber you say make I go interview?
Armed robber?
Ask my name.
Are you an armed robber?
For where? Who see gun for my hand?
What's in your name?
My name na Kashkwe Muhele. Alias Bullet.
No wonder! That name has a pathological resemblance with armed robbery. You go fit change that name?
Madam.
The bullets.
Oh, madam, that name. I don't answer. Since now, when would they do? Oh, Baba la yeah. That is the area boy. Who for Lagos?
Never see.
Who same time? Who change?
Never see. No be this kind of worker now define for you. I no want this kind of worker for this place. What do you think?
If you look inside well, I first make we take him. Make we take him.
Why?
Because if you take him, balance. Kakaki they come harass us here.
Yes. You have a point. Make we take him with that.
My area boy.
Oh, madam, who soup the bono?
Will you shut up your mouth? What has that got to do with you?
Oh, thank you. Oh, madam, what is why they harass? If the name no, if they make you who fear. If they call me bull, who remove the earth.
Listen to me. If that's your name, like make it be gunpowder, no one know. Eh? That has got nothing to do with me, okay? You take care of me.
Oh God bless you, madam. Thank you.
I don't give you the job.
Eh?
You fit pound.
Yeah. Happy. Oh, papa. Who pound anything? Who wouldn't have carry you? Who yam? Who yam? Who planty? Even who sugar cane? Or human be safe? Upon now.
Like no, you don't pound me now.
Oh, sorry now. I know.
Oh yeah, come bring this motor. The motor.
I don't start work.
You never pass finish now, we just dey taste you.
Ow! Help you.
Shey you been say you be bullet. Sit down.
Come on.
Very good.
For this one?
Daybreak. What's the meaning of this? What do you mean? Why? What's up? When I say small, if I want pound and they pound one drum of
fufu. You let me this kind of small thing.
Come, what's up? What be your name? I never see. I never see waiting. Now my name. Who never see waiting. Who useless. Who papa.
And your mama will give you that name, eh? Who stupid?
Who call you? Who never see. The fuck who call you? Who see the bad dry. So now me you dey insult. I never take you finish. You dey insult me. I fit terminate you from here now. I go tell madam just sack you go from here.
Professional. Professional follow you joke.
Which kind joke?
No verse.
Oh sorry.
Hey, okay.
You go work for here. Never see. We don't see bullets. We don't see. We go know me better. Go away. Pound this thing, pound it.
We never see anything. Oh, we never see. Go for here.
Pound this thing, man. Back home now.
And I start work with that.
Pound and finish first.
Bazooka the fire bullet. Waiting bullet they do. I never see.
Boom.
Bullet. Madam.
Yes.
Cash come.
Whatever, hellfire, gunpowder, whatever. What I'm trying to say is that the two of you here must respect each other. Never see here is the senior brother. Here, you must have to respect him. Do you understand?
Who's small, madam?
Never see. Make sure you take him around and show him his daily routine. I'm leaving now. Arrange this place. Good night.
Yeah.
Oba, madam.
Say you don't hear her.
Who say?
He said I should give you the routine of work. Yeah. Rule number 1. You go to wake up in the morning early before cock cry for morning.
Before waiting? Who wake up before cock cry? You believe that me? You kill a luga. Which kind of work with that?
You be like say you don't want this job. You be like say you don't want that.
If I don't want the job, why I leave my village for?
But you must do what I talk or you go. Yes.
Okay. We wake up before cock.
2. Any day it is your turn to wash plate, you must wash that plate before you go sleep.
Who that place? We not go sleep for night. We go back wake up before cock again. Who wash the plate before you sleep? Which kind of place? The person they walk like that.
As I dey see your eye, e be like say we dey do trial tombo for any work we do.
Wait first. I want ask question. When I say who gonna keep the money?
Madam Bazooka, they keep money now.
You should who keep money? What's that for? How will take my account?
Account of Abu Ogan. You should say your mind hygienic, so you never come here, you never do anything. Your eye don't enter money. Me and you, we not get business from where money dey here. Any customer when chop here, they go straight go pay Madam Bazooka.
Okay. Who chop? How many times so we gonna chop for here?
We. And 3 times now, morning, afternoon, and night. But if any customer chop remain, we fit chop up, no problem. And many customers they don't even eat these days.
We don't chop. We chop like that since a bit.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Okay. If a night, where will you sleep?
Yeah. Where you sleep, they no problem. Where you sleep, go there. But wait, you the pick for night.
Who waiting? What's the phone? You want to insult me, Abi? You want to insult me, eh?
Jesus.
Look, we finish. I don't like you. We better go there. Look up for night, eh?
Sorry, no best. I just wanted to ask. Oh yeah, I'm going to tell you. You see the rain before, you can't umbrella come. You bring umbrella.
Where do you see my bag? You see umbrella?
Sorry, no best. We will carry the go now. You like to make you faint, yeah?
Bazooka the fire bullet. Waiting bullet they do. I never see. Bazooka they shoot to bullet. Bazooka na gun. Waiting bullet they cross. I never see. Ew.
Why Obi's for my face? Obi's. But why for you? That's so many people sleep for here. Why you always sleep now? What will I do you? When I know one sleep. God forbid that. Even if you no go first sing the kind song when they come off your nose. Waiting. What's happening now? What's happening? Say, because I don't live for here. You know? Come, where? For village, with this kind of thing, you know they happen. If you see where they sleep for village itself, except for don't say somebody did there. You are new. Me and you don't go fit sleep for inside this place. Come here, go show you where they sleep. Oh. Come. I don't tell you say we're going to know first now. Let's show you where they sleep. Come. Madam say, woman can they will pay you. Come on, I go show you where they sleep. You don't know me, you go sleep. You know, fish go to you where they sleep. Yeah, you are not fit to sleep.
Bazooka, the fire bullet. Waiting bullet, they shine. I never see. Oh. Bazooka, they shoot to bullet. Bazooka na gone. Waiting bullet, they cause shine. I never see. Madam Bazooka, na tick madam. Tick madam, we get restaurant. And she get 2 service boys. One name na bullet, the other one name na never see. Which kind names be that yo? Bazooka, bullet and never see.
Which name? You let me inside though. Which name? What's it about? You must say you could do this work. Huh? I just can't tell you should sleep. Come more than 3 times oh. Come and watch the plate, my friend. Come and watch the plate. Watch which plate? When I saw we don't watch for 2 weeks. We don't have to watch you. What? 2 weeks? What are you gonna do when I watch them? We watch you the line now. I've been movie. Maybe they watch Wise Man. Come go and watch play before you get up. What's up? What about the man before we go walk? Oh, you only do it now. Yes. Okay. We not go talk about. You see it? You see it? Oh, my friend. What I ask you?
Goat head. Where's my food?
Why
are you standing there like a hypnotized pigeon?
What are you insult me? What is the worry you? I'm your servant.
My food now.
What do you mean? If we are not for the servant, what are you?
What's up for keep your mouth? Who keep your mouth? Your mouth free. I never talk to you.
Give me my food.
Which one your own?
Am I to tell you which one is my food?
Where did they bring this bamboo from?
Who want to call me? For who? Bullet, wait. Who's wrong? Oh, yeah. Who's the guy food? From the farm. I don't look at food. Who come here? Look at me. Who are the better? Who are you going to get? Who are you? Who they don't promise? sorry. Oh yeah, give them the food. Give them the food.
I don't do that again. Who two of you? Who find another place? Who nonsense?
No, don't be like that. Custom. You know that my customer they be. Have you know the young man they say customers are always right?
Oh, if you like my house. We look for here. We don't take process for people like this, so.
It's alright. Meanwhile, I'm leaving. This place, I won't come back here again.
Go!
No, it's not me.
I'm very sorry.
Let him eat the food. Since you are wiser than yourself.
Customer, please, I'm sorry. Please, madam, I'm very sorry. Come back, please. Let us see what is happening. Why are my customers leaving?
I don't know what they discuss with Bullet.
Bullet!
Oh, madam.
Your first day at work, you start chasing away my customers. You better go in and take your things and leave now before you ring me. Do you know I've lost money? What an economic sabotage.
My God, sorry, madam. Would I just have them joke? I don't know the people that scatter blame.
Joke? Did I really get to joke with my customers?
Madam, that one will be here. We'll be like, and the suspense is a smoky book.
You are very stupid. You think you're very suspicious to yourself. How dare you? You see what your suspicions has cost my business now? Do you know how much all this food costs? Look, you will eat them.
Thank you, madam.
And you will pay for them. It will be deducted from your salary. Never seen. Calculate the money for this food and deduct it from your salary at the end of the month.
Listen, what kind of put on with this now? Madam.
Else, now your welcome address be that. 500 naira. Oh yeah! Boss! Can you hold us come out here? Make my customers and zero enter stupid man.
500 naira. I will take the mobile over there again. Go to go.
What's up? Don't tell me.
It's not people. Give me food. Your father doesn't give me 4 plates of food. This food, this is my salary. If you want chop, you bring your salary, you come put here. Only you want finish this food. Eh? If you finish this food, you go die. You don't see the person who die when they eat. Come and go work. I am going for work. No go work. No work finish. You chop up. No come out. For where? Oh madam, you give me punishment. Where are you going anywhere? If I don't finish the punishment. No, go anywhere. You're not anywhere. So what will happen? Bullet, beg. You cannot do like that. Give me some fish or meat. We'll take this small one. Oh, wash your hand. This one. This one. Well, thank you. No problem. No, you want to do that. Bloodfish. Hey, go! Go, Maka. You enjoy my 500 naira. Another fish. Go! Go!
Why is this not working? What is the meaning of this? Why are you two bowing your heads to the ground? Is this how you sleep?
No, the mosquito.
Go!
Yeah? You don't come with that person that goes. Una madam? No, sir.
First of all, before you go to the toilet, I want you to first of all go and pack those plates outside and watch them. And I'm warning you two for the last time. Stop shouting like this.
Madam Bazooka is the co-host.
What's the fool? We don't see her face. We don't look like those.
Madam Bazooka.
Ubele they pay me. Ube like I want shit. I beg now. You can't escort me, I beg.
Me, go ahead. Me. Escort me, go shit. Me. I don't want to chop alone. You say you chop your food alone. Chop alone, die alone. Go.
If you still do, who can escort me?
Bazooka, bazooka they shoot to bullet. Bazooka na gone. Waiting bullet they call. I never see. I never see.
Who carry the don't do what you go sell. No your own. What's up? Huh? The moment we watch the voice, you not chop and finish. All the remnants you not chop and finish. When I look for trouble, no. I beg come out there. See, you is this the way pass me? I will kill you. Right? Now why you shall walk. Who's up now? Now why you start going? Who pack plate? Who wash plate? Who say I go get and come? Who can't sell my dog food? You're going to drag dog food again. Yeah, you going to drag. Not me employ you. I live in a village who can't watch you from here. Now me say I don't go make money. I say my own. See, we're going to share this work. I can tell you. With this week. Now you go wash. Who clean table? I hear you. Now we go sell dog food. Finish. If not the one where you get, now you go sell. And I tell you finish. If you don't want to, man, I hear my voice. Finish. Unless one. Come on, if you want another, then you go all the places when they go want this food, then you go wash out.
You see what I did to the guy.
My friend, what do you mean? How can you dip your finger into my soup? Huh? Did I ask you to test the soup for me? Lower your voice. Nonsense.
I beg your pardon. What's the meaning of this?
Just test. Drink, no problem.
Test? Who asked your assistants? I am not going to take this anymore. It's either you don't replace it or you can forget it.
Don't do like that. If madam here, I'm not going to like her.
What's business? You're getting back to care with your madam. What's that? Well, let's go.
Ask your stupid servant. Ask him what he did to my soup.
Madam, you better go and employ serious people in this restaurant, otherwise you'll officially lose all your customers.
Where are my customers?
But I never walk.
That is not the question. Why are my customers leaving?
Who's that himself? Who's a liar? Sometimes we forget to put stock for soup. I just make I help him. We check whether salt be inside. We not help. We give this.
You test my customer's soup.
Yes, madam.
Help. You help my customer. Never see what is it.
Nah, you don't see nothing where I drink beer last. I bring her, open her for her. Pour small, test. Small thing like this. But you never even go down to my top self. She be give vex.
You test my customer.
Small thing like this.
You test my customer. And you test too.
Una help. What they help about?
They help. No test. You they help. You were helping my customer. You were helping my customer. Sorry, your heads. Sorry, your two heads. Okay, you're telling me sorry, Nabi. You're telling me sorry after you've chased away my customers. Who will help? Look, both of you. You will not eat in this house. 1 week for this stupidity. And if I see you not eating.
Bazooka dey fire bullet. Waiting bullet dey do. Chai. I never see. Oh. Bazooka eh. Bazooka dey shoot.
How you dey look like this?
Bazooka na gun.
You no be man, you no fit endure something. 3 days now. 3 days. Your punishment go end.
I never see.
Why? Huh? Ordinary woman when no go feel born men like us, who go to punish us? Huh? What's up? What's up for never see? Who check him now? If one marry, we not go feel marry Bazooka.
Why not? We feel marry.
Oh. I said by the time I jam my head, all that in fact when her body go dry up. Nonsense. When I deal with her man, she go know.
Billy bullet.
I dangerous. If I deal with that woman, she go know.
So you too talk nonsense. You can't stop talking about Madam Bazooka.
Why no stop talk? Who talking about Mama? Who Mama?
Pick that plate.
The Kasper Muhele make her pretty good. Madam, welcome. What's up? Who just allow me the stupid they go? Well, Madam, who get any load? I'll go help you carry.
Yes, your property. Go inside and take your things and leave this place now.
Madam, I beg now. Who play with you?
You're playing, eh? You dey play.
Who they do one video? If you say, but I mean, that maybe that's no and my be Osaka. Who funny play we just they do here.
He just tell me dream about you yesterday.
That I sacked him, Abi.
Yes.
Oh yes. Who for the dream? Who can't call me back again?
You are not serious. I, Madam Bazooka, will sack you and call you back. That dream will not come to pass.
Oh, thank you, madam. The dream no go pass at all.
I will sack you and hand you over to the police.
Hey! Madam, what's up, you don't go do that kind of thing now. For sack me, I know that person who to help me, I beg you.
Yeah.
I beg, madam.
You are begging now.
Oh, mama don't die. We go heaven. Papa self. You don't die. They wait for purgatory. This work, what they work so now money I won't collect. We give church men they pray make Papa go cross entire heaven. No, for sack now. What's up? No say the man go here.
I beg, madam. Don't make my friend Papa go hell, I beg. Just forgive and forget.
Which kind of friend you can be? Instead of you to beg me, you say make if I forget me. If you want beg him, no, you don't tell him to forget.
Okay, I know what to do. I will increase your punishment to another 1 week. No eating.
Chai! Madam, you won't kill him.
And you. If you don't sit up on your duties, I will demote you. Stupid men, look at them.
Madam Bazooka, not take madam. Get restaurant. And she get 2 service.
1 more week, no job.
One name na bullet. The other one name.
Make she go die.
Never see.
The
other kind names? Which kind names?
Where's punishment? I don't eat.
Bazooka. Bullet can never see.
For me.
You can imagine the kind.
Yes.
I dey suspect foul play for here.
Foul?
What thing dey happen for here? Eh? What thing happen when this Gary dey less like this? It's supposed to be bigger than this.
Na no go Gary. And where I tell Papa, who pound them? Who compress? I use verse for them. You know, since after that, Papa, who punishment will you give us? We can't get more power ourselves.
One name na bullet, the other one name na never see. Which kind names be that yo? Bazooka, bullet and never see. You can imagine the kind trouble.
Bullets? Huh? What is that sound I'm hearing?
No.
With this kind of combination of people.
The person where they call him dog.
You pound this thing quickly and bring it inside for me. My customers are
waiting.
Okay.
Bazooka, oh. Bazooka, they shoot to bullet. Bazooka now. And waiting bullet, they cost. I never see. Oh. I never see.
Throw soup.
Chai.
This is not a cement mix. Don't be about this. I don't
know. For restaurant, yo. Now one drama to the other. If bullet no cost customer go cost am. Madam Bazooka go take grammar, scatter everywhere. Waiting never see they do, me I never see. In short, I'm surprised. I am shocked, oh. Bazooka, oh. Bazooka, they fire bullet. They fire them. Waiting bullet, they do. I never see. Chai. Bazooka, oh. Bazooka, they shoot to bullet. Now heavy gun. And waiting bullet, they cause. I never see. Hey. Bazooka, they fire bullet. Solid gun. Waiting bullet, they do. I never see. Bazooka, Bazooka, they shoot to bullet. A serious gun. And waiting bullet, they cause. I never see. Bazooka, oh. Bazooka, they fire bullet. They fire them. Waiting bullet, they do. Serious thing. I never see. Oh, Bazooka, Bazooka, they shoot to bullet. They shoot them. Waiting bullet, they
collect everything. Which everything? I don't. Nobody wants to throw about. Who from where?
I don't. Who throw neighbor?
I see that one.
Who send soup?
I not see soup.
I who Who do another ever?
When?
You know, see,
I don't see anything.
you come before long.
Never see. Where are you running to?
And President, I won't go to toilet, I beg.
You want to?
I go to toilet, I beg.
You want shit? Don't we have toilets here?
Make I bring newspaper.
Who go?
The kind drama.
Come on, take this thing from my hand. Go.
With this kind combination of things. Now wow. Bazooka Bazooka the fire bullet. Waiting bullet they do. Now wow. I never see. Bazooka Bazooka they shoot.
How do you anything happen?
Waiting bullet they cause. I never see. I never see.
Yes. Oh, so now they give me, they send it in there. I've been one go thank Madam Bazooka for all the good things when they do for me. Now basket of thank you very much. Don't mention. I'm going to say Bazooka for this.
One drama to the other.
Come.
If bullet no cost custom and go cost down. Madam Bazooka go take grammar scatter everywhere. Waiting never see they do. Me I never see. In short I'm surprised. I am shocked too. Bazooka Bazooka they fire bullet. They fire waiting bullet they do. I never see shine. Bazooka they shoot to bullet. And waiting bullet they cross. I never see.
My son, as God help una come feed me, una go to feed more people, and God will continue to bless una. I pray to that through Jesus Christ our Savior, right? Amen. Thank you. Yes. Then I go tell your friend thank you if I don't mention.
No worry, just leave a Magusanka.
Solid gun. Waiting bullet they do. I never see. Bazooka Bazooka they shoot to bullet. A serious gun. And waiting bullet they cause. I never see. Bazooka Bazooka they fire bullet. They fire them. Waiting bullet they do. Serious thing. I never see. Bazooka Bazooka they shoot to bullet. They shoot them. Waiting bullet they cause. I never see. Bazooka Bazooka they shoot to bullet. Waiting bullet they cause.
Don't carry your cement the way you mix so.
Bazooka Bazooka they fire bullet. They fire them. Waiting bullet they do. Serious thing. I never see you. Bazooka Bazooka they shoot to bullet.
Sorry. Stop shouting. You mother hear me. You not go wash pass oh. What say? What pay? I put on for trap. Now trap me madam says for that. Now you go put it. Hey. You know say trap dead here? I be that. We are sorry, no go sleep. We go sleep. We don't eat. Now I go tie something. I go tie something for this. No go sleep. If anybody steals us for outside, the person will be thief. No go sleep. We will know what we do tomorrow. But we'll never eat now.
nonsense? What kind of big man sleep is this? You think we are still sleeping at this time of the day? Are we not going to open the restaurant today? Okay. You are not dead yet. By the time I finish dealing with both of you, you will terrorize me to hell. Hey! So you're still sleeping. You're still lying on the bed when you're supposed to be preparing for the show. Oh, we're not going for business today, eh? You're still lying there.
Oh, madam. You leave me, oh. I'm not well.
What? What did you just say?
I said I'm not well.
You are not well. Did you get my express clinical permission to translate yourself into a sick bed?
It'll be that kind of sickness. Huh? Right, or bite her for night. Give her big wound.
How do I know you had a confutorial bite? Which of the rats?
Now Belgium rats. It be like you.
Insult. Never see? Do you know you just insulted my person? Never see? You have just insulted me. That is an absolute debilitating and sanctimonious insult on my person. Listen to me. I demand a categorical withdrawal of that statement.
Sorry, I don't withdraw.
Good. Get up and let's get to work.
Would they start to go anywhere?
What?
We don't want empty stomach.
My medulla oblongata. You're on strike? I'm talking to you. You are what?
Who's on strike?
Who's on feet? So you people will discharge your civic right and fed me.
So but we're not fit. We're not fit.
Really? You're sacked. Summarily dismissed. Unequivocally demobilized from service.
Good. Thank you. We'll leave. Go.
Good. Leave now.
Until you pay us now. You never pay us.
Who pay us salary now? What?
We don't pay.
You are asking me.
You never pay us.
I said leave.
But no, they go. Come on.
We'll go back.
We'll go, sir. We'll
back like this. No. What am I doing for back? It has not got into this point. I was only joking. What's that? Which kind of joke you joke? We take big grammar here, they scatter our head. I was only trying to exercise my mandibles, rotating my memory bank. Practice make perfect. In fact, this morning, I hereby revoke, rescind, cancel, delete, and annul every pronouncement of inconvenience on you. You can now start eating. What the hell? Once a day. What food? A day? We don't walk. No walk. Okay. After a graceful second thought, I grant you unconditional pardon.
Me?
You can start eating 3 times a day.
If I make you go with this, let's go to the answer floor.
Let me get to work now.
Where the food now?
The food? So what you're trying to say is if I bring the food, you get back to work.
Yes. Would be here.
No, I reject that.
We just work.
Are you heavily insisting?
Insist? Yes.
Who
what do you know now? Whatever. Who can soup? Who took bottles of beer? But I don't know.
All right. You have triumphantly destabilized and demobilized my strategies. And you've made nonsense out of my Homo sapien abilities. And you have succeeded to transpose me into a cognitive compromise. Excuse me.
Transport. Now this was supposed to be answer bullet too. No. See the grandmother come for your mouth. Sir, the grandmother. For like, when they speak down and reach heaven, you don't concern me. What we know? We say we don't strike. We still get what we want. The food come now. What am I end? We don't end now. Sorry. But long this thing strike no good. If you strike for work, you strike for work. Like your dad is no fictive. Which kind of person?
Why are you guys wearing this crash here?
I beg, not just talk put at all. Not talk put. Let me wear the shoe, let me know where they pinch me. When you come out and say curing is better than cure. Prevention is better than curing. What do you want, Chot?
I beg, give me a bag. Bitter leaf, you miss the meat, I beg.
Bitter leaf, miss meat, oh!
Thank you.
What will we give you?
Do you have stockfish?
Today.
Salad.
Today.
Scrambled egg and sauce.
We'll get that.
And fresh fish mayonnaise.
Everything today. We just was. We sit down back and serve you.
Well, I can see you're bewildered by what you say.
This place is too busy. I think I'll call back when you're less busy. Ciao.
What rubbish!
Don't give customer food, they wait for you.
What nonsense!
You did.
What arrogant rubbish!
We'll get that.
Will you get out from here? Drop it and get lost. No!
Madam Bazoo.
I am stupendously overwhelmed by your relative accolades. Excuse me. What is the synonymic meaning of this centrifugal dressing of yours? Why are you people wearing crushed elements?
Welcome.
That is not my answer. Why are you adorning crushed elements?
Well, for protection.
Yes. Protection? Protection for what, if I may ask?
From you, madam.
Me?
And your flying grandma, where they fly up and down.
What boring son I have here for servants? Why you take all those things from your head before I open my eyes?
Oh, sorry, madam.
Sorry about what? Will you shut up your mouth and take your catastrophic preachers out of my sight? Quick! Nonsense. I'm very sorry for the
Fire bullet. Waiting bullet they do. Now why? I never see. Bazooka oh. Bazooka they shoot two bullet. Bazooka na and waiting bullet they cause. Waiting they cause. I never see oh. I never
like
see.
5 fruits like this.
How a man like us, ordinary Madam Bazooka, they use us, they do boy.
That woman ordinary. That woman ordinary. You see the kind of people when they come for her mouth. Eh? You know the kind of place where she dey sell. She not marry anything. No, not just talk like that. And they be like say the woman they love you well. Who don't let me and you quarrel no. How you go? Who talk say woman love me? Njaki go back. Put me for trouble. Njaki go back and mean am. She dey look with love eyes every day. When I say how she dey tell holla me for this place? Uchala. That thing a pass my guy. You don't mean am. You don't mean am. Nothing happen. I dey hear her dey talk to herself about you several times.
Who me? Huh? I know. Oh, Madam Bazooka.
You know match. No match. She like the way you take it. Smile, dance, everything about you. She love him. Now for me that they give you so. You put me for trouble, no. You don't leave me take my life do better thing. Think if you marry this woman, put for house, nothing will happen.
If I marry that woman, I go put rope for her neck, tie her for my waist. It's a drag and go everywhere. But Yusuf, I will sack you. Straight. See this one. They never do you cut to my finish you, they go arrest police. Me when they give you encouragement, they do show you everything, carry employ you for this place. They feed you. Give you where they sleep. Now me one sack. Why one sack man? Why the quarrel? You see, she don't marry me.
Unless
Where's this stupid boy? Never see.
Okay.
Never see.
What happened to the meat in the soup? I don't know where Madam bring go.
Honey, I'm sorry. You know we have more than enough meat in the pot, okay?
Just wanted to find out if this stupid boy who stole the meat in the food.
It's okay, come on.
We have to do something about this boy.
It's okay.
Hey, heavy duty. Ooh la la. Things are falling.
Useless! Insignificant mini-bomb. How can I be there waiting and you're here lost in an euphoric oblivion? Do you pound this thing and bring it inside?
What take it easy now, honey? I go pound them.
What did you just say? What did you just call me?
Madam, how you come to surprise like that now? Will be you first who call me honey for here?
Me? Oh, blame me. Who mesmerized your thinking faculty and made you believe that I, Bazooka Heavy Duty, will call an insignificant crobber honey? Where did you get your orientation from? Stop opening your muddy boats like that of an intoxicated baboon.
Sorry, madam, but I never see you deceive me. I never see. You tell me say you fall in love with me.
Magidon, Sodom and Gomorrah never see told you that I am falling in love with you, that ball? Bam. Where is never seen? Never see! Never see!
Madam, sorry now.
You ain't deceive me. Who can't make me the dream say you they call me honey?
My goodness. Even butterflies can transpose into mighty eagles.
Sometimes.
Shut up your mouth there! What an ambition. 2 minutes. You plan this thing and bring it in immediately.
Why use grammar with yourself? Oh yeah.
Bazooka the fire bullet.
When I saw somebody will suffer till you make money. You buy motor. You buy wife. You can arrange with the wife. You can make picking. You won't marry. You better have. Now marry, you won't marry now. Suffer too much. It good make you not marry now. You are too much. I dey tell you. They go start from. You go get money first, go see the parents. Go pay for the girl head. When you pay finish, they'll come first to me, you marry them 3 times. We never see. We don't come again, no. You want you to be married 3 times? 3 times now. You go do traditional marriage, where these young girls go come. I should be. Hey. That day you go even get problem himself. You go because when we go find pass your wife, you go confused. Number 2, you can't go marry her for court. If you reach there, if you don't swear very well, if you from there, go prison. What? The 3rd one, we say for church, white wedding. So this one, what person go suffer say one marry, and at the end of the day, the girl fit to rock. You go rock more for your house. You collect my money back now. Who you want to collect my hand? No refund of money after payment. Oh my head. That's just now. Why you don't look like mascot when sick out? That girl we come for shop yesterday. Yeah. They come for front. Excuse me.
How are they?
We say we'll come back for shop. We don't come back again. I can't keep we do it for you. We got meat. We stock fish. What's happening? Mama? What are about? We bend the corner.
Yeah.
What up? We're talking. We keep everything. We don't come back.
Yeah. You did.
Yes.
But I don't know you now.
You don't remember me? Hey! You don't remember? Who's supervisor for Bazooka restaurant.
I see. You work in Madame Bazooka's restaurant.
Oh no! Supervisor for Madame Bazooka restaurant now.
But I didn't notice you actually. I know, never see.
My dear.
Never see how is business.
I'm fine with the patch. So my assistant love you and be like.
Really?
I dey quench for you.
Yeah. Tough luck.
Oh no. Bullet. Oh, Castro.
Oh well, excuse me. I'll see you later. I'm in a hurry, okay?
Hey.
Bye.
You go see me later. You say you go see me later.
Say you don't finish. You don't finish. Your pass maga. I get the form, I get fish, I get this, get our motor. Why did I say you get flyover bridge mix? Very good. And mixed nails. Oh yeah, bring your gallon, no go fetch water. Good towel, get this. You better get this thing for your mouth, you don't die finish. Supervise. God, if you see woman, that's all your mouth will record. Like, this one machine.
like to rinse it.
Okay, you just go to the backyard.
Okay.
And you see Bullet there, we'll rinse it for you. Beauty.
Madam Bazooka.
Go now. What is wrong with this man? Auntie, make I bring your water for you. Hey! Never see. So you need to know one single drop of inside that fridge.
One single drop?
Never see. You dey ask me. Auntie, I beg, no vex. Make I bring you this is small bottle water for you.
No, come on.
Never see.
I don't go put the last one.
Are you mad? What is the meaning of that nonsense? You are very stupid. How are you going to talk to customer like that?
So you
don't start it.
Bazooka they fire bullet. Waiting bullet they do.
Bullet, you see to watch this plate. It's not good now. The boy days are not finished and madam done the holla. She make she scatter. Let yourself.
Come here. Only grammar she go speak. Nonsense.
Bullet.
Excuse me, please.
Where is one? Where they wash plate for here? Every time you go leave one, come out. Nonsense.
Could you please rinse these food flags for me?
Hey, who don't say, who don't me the wash plate for here? But because na you.
Thank you.
You know say, who don't me the wash plate for here?
Yeah.
Supervisor no dey wash la, you know. Go down well.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yes. Excuse me. Excuse me. Good here. Welcome back.
Lover boy. Do you like me?
We can't ask again. No, I don't like you. I love you.
But you've not invested in my life yet now. Investment.
What do investment mean? Invested? What do you mean? Hello? Oh, look, I go invest myself for you. Just make you just touch me small like that. Finish.
Okay. You see, I would like to know when your madam will pay your salary, and I'll come around so you show me love, okay?
When they pay us?
Yeah.
I will tell you.
See ya.
We go come, when they pay us, who bring this is come on? We never see. Wait, I don't see. I don't see something. Take. We put them for ground. How far? The 3 miles. You see the girl? The babe, she agree? Yes, now. What did she talk? We talk say, you be Munu. Who? You? You are a fool. But so don't begin growing like this, eh? So she fit open my talk with you. Yeah? Why? You can't flash come here. Who can wash? That be good to as I wash, you see love for the washing. You come for you can't ask of my assistant. Who is your assistant? Who never said that you? You the Chris? You are a fool. They love. She said she go come when we collect pay. Okay, so that she go chop half of it. Watch this thing over there behind the house.
Both of you know that the strangulation in business these few days. We have to re-strategize our local temporary to be able to wriggle out of this total economic asphyxia. Do you understand? I'm talking to you.
I never see.
When I wait till you talk.
I never see.
What? What nonsense is this? So you mean I've been wasting my breath to protect to two dumbheads like you? Now listen to me carefully. Good. I've been losing substantial amount of money in this business for some few days now. And I was actually laying the foundation for a thorough economic recovery program for both of you. Now, who will steal from these establishments?
Bazooka, bullet and never.
Yes.
You can imagine the kind
somebody or bodies has or have been stealing
with this kind of combination of
from this business.
Now wow.
And I want to categorically state that act is sabotage and it amounts to gross incompetence to whosoever is indulging in such acts, covertly or openly or vice versa.
I never see. I never see.
What impetus? What gods? What gross act of insubordination? Mercy, do you know I will sack you for this blatant act of negligence?
I'm sorry, but I'm not sure saying that two of us will talk since we will say. This not scatter my head. Everything will get my head now to sleep.
Where were you when fathers were going to school?
Village.
I am shocked to Bazooka.
Me.
You see, by not going to school, you have plunged yourself into a catastrophic, psychological, social, and economical misfortune. Your state of educational barrenness has been lead into disadvantageous social, economic stanton.
Madam, I suggest to make a move for John. Because today I have to make credit. I
never see. Bazooka, they shoot two bullets. A serious gun waiting bullets. I never see.
You are supporting Casco to move this
Bazooka, they fire bullets.
How are you making a serious matter like this? Someone can do this for the shop and tell them to behave anyhow.
Bazooka, they shoot. They shoot them.
If I don't talk so this now, we know say that we never do the talk with that. But what's up?
Who took the money? How do you expect me to know? Don't get.
Bazooka na gone.
Madam, for first, we will say we go find who thief your money, because as I dey here, I don't thief your money.
Myself.
Take madam, we get restaurant. I and she get
who did? Rats?
One name na bullet,
the
other one name never see.
Who plenty for years?
Okay. I know what to do. I'll know how to get to resolve the problem. Now go chop the juju from you.
You can imagine the kind drama.
Who chop the juju?
Yes. I will discover the root of this matter. And I tell you, I will discover the person responsible for causing my economy back.
Bazooka, bazooka, they shoot to bullet. Bazooka, and waiting bullet, they cross. I never see. I never see. Every day for restaurant to go. I wonder. Bazooka, bazooka, they fire bullet. Waiting bullet they do. Chai, I never see. Oh, bazooka, bazooka, they shoot to bullet. Bazooka na gone. Waiting bullet they cause. Chai, I never see you. I never see you. Ew. Madam Bazooka, oh, na tick madam. Tick madam, we get restaurant. And she get 2 service boys. One name na bullet, the other one name na never see. Which kind names be that?
No me too.
Bazooka,
I'm bag of blood.
You can imagine the kind drama where go they happen for there with this kind combination of people. Now wow, bazooka, bazooka, the fire bullet, waiting bullet.
Whatever see.
Now wow, I never see. Bazooka.
Whatever see. Yeah. The fire. What's up? Where they go? What am I going to now? When I maybe who fire the bomb? Who sit down? Who want to talk to you? What do you want to tell me when you don't want to let me sleep? Did you know if you wait till tomorrow? What trouble there? Hey, which trouble? I talk. Who me say for? Oh no go follow you chop that juju. You no go follow chop the juju. Why? Now you the thief, madam. You know thief. How it happen? Where you no go follow? Talk make an answer I go take do am. Will not be only me. Who thief madam money? How many of you thief am? Who that my girlfriend? Where they come here? You know your girlfriend the way you never touch, you never do anything to them. They call her your girlfriend. Who beauty? What thing happen? Who follow? Who take the money? How na do am? Tell me now, make I help you. Make a touch her small, give me small and make a touch her. Never see. Who not try am? Who not touch am? Who not my pepe soup be that? You dey chop be that.
Never seen. Your madam is not on seat. I saw her going out.
We don't sit down. We just come. We don't go market. How you take no? We see vision.
What do you mean?
Nobody. No problem. My sweet pepe soup.
Pepper what?
That's it everywhere.
It must be very hot then.
So what are they doing? We go shack. I'm going. We come out here. Sorry, eh? What's the we go shack?
You mean what I like to drink?
Yes.
Well, I would like to have an orange juice and a bottle of stout.
One drink juice. What is it? Who bring who juice for her? Who called her?
Casque muhele.
Nami.
It must be very hot.
What? Who juice? Who for my pepper soup? Who called her?
Casque muhele.
They worry me. Now money now they talk. Would you smell food for this place? The food. Now money who they pay? Now pay before serve. Pay me and never say bad belle do this thing or if na good or bad belle no but pay me. How much? You know how much it is? We'll get change, you get more change, no worry. Open up. Open it.
Very, very hot. Casque muhele.
Lami. We'll use pipe or cup.
Anyone. And why are you not drinking?
Me? No. Let's say, we shack here where? You know go good to. We come, we shack on duty.
And what about a spice turkey to make the dates exciting? I mean, turkey stuff. You know today is a turkey day.
Who knows something? You say that turkey day.
Yes.
He can't be like that without all of you. Okay. What is it? Who be you? What for now?
Bullet.
What talking? For my pepper soup.
Casque muhele. Please, I want you to make it a takeaway and the 2 cans of juice, okay?
How much? 900 naira. 900 naira. 900 naira. Who increase the price? That's the same price everywhere.
Bullet, you see, there's this perfume I want to get, and they don't bring up to carry by today. Let me have this money.
We can't have the money now.
Don't bother. Big boys don't count money.
I beg. Madam, go. Just go.
Oh, Bullet, I'll come back for the topic stuff, okay?
We go come back, Una so. It's for we money finish.
We no money to give him again. We can't put meat. Soup for here. We don't give him.
Una too thief am. Juju must catch you. Eh? Madam Juju go kill you.
Hi. What's up? We don't go follow who near that place.
Before Madam will carry that Juju. I don't run. Run go where? Juju? Juju when they do the magneto. He better make you there here, make you go catch you here. Because if you run, he go catch you for road. Draw your tongue, come outside, nobody go help you there. Huh? Juju? Hey! Who don't tongue? Who come outside, eh? Not only your tongue, self. You go bring your 2 eyeballs like this come outside. Oh. You go make like this. You go run, no. You don't be a better thief, oh.
We dey fear, oh.
Why you dey fear? You know, say you be bullet. Bullet no there for Juju, oh. Juju no bullet. Hey. Thief. What's up? Which time we go reach the place? What up did you do before we come back? It concern you. No madam they carry you go. Now you pay your transport. Is that why you go to talk? So you go make I go take see madam beg am, make you forgive and forget. They find a way to go and chop Juju. You find a way to go down from my hand. Thief. What and then when she come now, you call us go. Look. And they get some man go down. Man, no. Hey! Come on, we go. Bullet, come here, we go. Bullet. Bullet, don't tell you. Now, you go anywhere. You don't come.
Bazooka they fire bullet. Waiting bullet they do. Chai. I never see. Oh. Bazooka they shoot 2 bullet. Bazooka na gone. And waiting bullet they cause. Chai. I never see. Bazooka they fire bullet. Waiting bullet they do. Chai. I never see. Oh. Bazooka, bazooka they shoot to bullet. Bazooka na gone. And waiting bullet they cause. Chai. I never see.